sensitive decon equipment, we'll go over here. We've got our mitts and our wipes. And just to kind of show you the wipes, people often think, oh, well, it's a wipe. It's gonna be like an alcohol wipe. It is not like that at all. It's kind of a damp wipe. And this is the Decon mitt. This is actually kind of a serendipitous. This contains 23 grams of fast act powder inside it. As I kind of hit it, you might be able to see some powder coming out off my shirt. The 23 grams is, again, it's a bit coincidence that's what's in the mitt, but 23 grams of fast act powder, if you actually could unfold all of the powder, that's the surface area equivalent of a football field. So it's kind of a interesting, I guess you could say, coincidence. We used to always talk about 23 grams is a football field. Well, 23 grams is what's in the mitt. So if you had contamination on, we'll just put a little bit of contamination, I guess, here on this. Nothing too fancy. The different ways that this can be applied is with the mitt. You actually just wrap it around. And a patting and blotting motion is actually one of the best ways to absorb the liquid. But this is actually a dual function. You want the powder to be released from the mitt onto the surface, but you also want to draw the liquid up into the sorbent of the mitt. So it's kind of a nice dual way to do that. And a great product to use in conjunction with this is the Fast Act powder pack, or the Fast Act shakers and bag powders that we used in the previous demo, where you can actually apply smaller amounts in a little bit more directed area to where that chemical contamination may be, and move it around, absorb it. Making that much safer. In the cleanup of this and in the final decon is where the wipes really come into play. And one thing I didn't really mention a lot inside when we were talking about the wipes, these are also, I hope we don't have this issue around here in Kansas City, but they also can be used for radiological removal from surfaces and skin. Extremely effective at removing rad from surfaces. You can also, of course, remove a wide variety of chemicals from decon equipment. Leaves a little bit of fast act residue, but it's very fast, very simple, very easy to use. And this is how you can do it on personal gear. Decon, I mentioned,